What's up, everybody? If you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, you would know that today we're going to go through on new tires and grips that I got in the mail not too long ago. We're going to head over to my local bike shop, the Bikery, about a 10-minute ride. I'm going to meet up with ISO. We're going to go throw them on, we're going to try to beat the rain, and we're going to see what we get into. Also, real quick, before we head out, if you haven't seen the video before this, you should definitely go check it out. It's my first vlog ever. This is kind of like, I guess, a sequel to that, so you should definitely check it out. And I forgot to mention, we're going to be filming a bike check today. It's supposed to rain maybe 7 o'clock. It's like 2 o'clock now, so we should be alright. So I was going to bring the GoPro, but I decided since I'm going to be carrying these huge tires around my chest that it's just better off that I don't.
So what am I buying? Here, bro. Yeah.
So we're gonna put these bad boys, that bad boy. Okay, so I accidentally popped the front tire while putting the new tire on. I had to buy a new tube, and now we're putting the front tire on. Peter, thank you. I'll put your Instagram. Okay, so from here, we're gonna head over to my local park and we're gonna film a little bike check. If it isn't the man himself, dude, new whip. What? What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you my bike check. I know everything on this bike except for the bars. So starting from the top down, I just got Sprocket Rayford grips. I'm running a Merritt top load stem, BSD headset, and going down Odyssey R25 forks. They were originally chrome, but I painted them black. For my front wheel, I'm running a Federal Stance XL wheel. Attached the 2 plastic hub guards that come with it and 2 Fiend Belmont pegs, 4.5 inches long. Moving to the frame, which is still fairly new. The Rock Rayford Vessel V2, 20.75. It was a little longer back end than my older bike, and that's exactly what I needed. Moving down, I got Animal Akimbo cranks in matte black. Reach Star pedals. And all of that is attached to a Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket. For seat and seat post, I'm running an Odyssey pivotal seat post connected to a, I forgot the name of the seat, but it's a Merritt seat. Back wheel is also a Federal Stance XL wheel laced to 2 Fiend Belmont pegs. For the tires, I just got these. You guys saw me putting them on. Odyssey Path Pros. which was like a redesigned version of the original Path Pros they had. I think that's it. I think that's the entire bike. Is the way I 180 over it? That's definitely piss. That is not a drink. Oh, you smell it? Oh my god, it's so bad! Okay, so getting footage today has been extremely hard because I messed up with the tube, which set us back big time, which made it way too dark to film anything, and the light is just going away like super fast. So I'm gonna try to get a little clip on this ledge. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. So close. Okay, so battery's about to die. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. Light is going down. Definitely way more difficult than I anticipated at first. Thank you for watching if you made it all the way through. Link to all my social media is down below. Shout out to every one of these guys because they make me not lose my mind, and I appreciate that. Yeah, bike looks super good though. I'm super hyped. Bike came out. You know, riding and stuff is so hard when you have to set up, film, make sure you get it. You know, especially when there's not enough light, it's super hard. So if you made it all the way through, thank you once again.
It's gonna rain.
Huh? Rain? Rain? Yeah. Oh, and it's about to rain, so peace out.